sometimes we are unable to convey our feelings or emotions with the superiors at office when they burden us with a lot of work. How to convey our feelings? This is a question.
Yes. Yes, hierarchy matters a lot, and especially in certain systems. Like I've worked with police. Police is a very hierarchical system. There, conveying to the superior is very difficult. Any system for that matter, or any environment for that matter, at the end of the day, we also understand that everyone is a human being. And sometimes even the boss or the superior is also stressed because of his or her superior, which we also do not recognize. Say, earlier I was working with bankers. So the group was mostly the managers. So they were all saying our superiors from the district level keep putting pressure on us. And next time when I did a workshop for the superiors in the district level, they said we have pressure from the state level. And when I did for state level, they said the whole central level is putting pressure that do this, do this, do this. So stress sometimes is inevitable in the whole system. But if you can take your superior into confidence by expressing what are the real difficulties that you're going through, and also sit with him or her and convey that, look, these are the things that I can do efficiently, these are the things for which I need support, then they also will understand. Many times it is not just about communicating emotions, but also your strengths and weaknesses, so that they will have a proper evaluation. In most of the systems, as Vidya was mentioning, when I get into systemic interventions, what I see is most of the people are right people are put in wrong place, and that is why they are not efficient. As Einstein had quoted once, that fish cannot climb the tree, but that doesn't mean that fish is ineffective or inefficient. So we need to convey what are our strengths, weaknesses, or what are the things that you can do effectively and what are the things which you need assistance. That is when you will be able to build a more healthier system. And of course, openness of the superior is very much required for this. So in such cases, maybe you go with practical issues and then get into the emotions instead of going directly and trying to convey the emotions. So maybe that strategy will be helpful for you. Thank you.
Thank you, Akshara. That I'm sure a lot of us could recognize with that question, and all of us got a very valuable answer.